Do 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 do. Ace is first. Oh, AFK Makina? Sag. Alrighty. We are working on... Yeah, he's sleeping. That's fair, that's fair. We have a 1.1, I'm pretty sure anyway, that has no display. And my power supply. Ugh. Let's make these easy to read, shall we? Easy-ish. I'll fix that up later. The other thing I want to do is take this tab off the test power supply, so I'm not bending the one on the motherboard too many times removing it. No display is not good. Yeah. It's got sound, but no display. This is the one that had all the trace rot, so I'm not holding out much hope for it. And it was turning itself on too. What? Good, and treat it like an N64 game. Roger that, Captain. Oh god, they made things out of good plastic back in the day, didn't they? I gave up on the knife technique, obviously. Alright. Let's... Suppose I'll just sit the heat sinks on top of it. Although it's not like I can do rework, so... I might as well just mount the heat sinks.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach.
I don't know. Ace, that's not my forte. I mean, I'm doing it with my hands, so I suppose that is more or less down my alley. The command is 'pad. By the way, if you want to try it. Should work on.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my
Hey, Jugs. Alright, that didn't work.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything.
Moderators, subscribers, and VIPs. I wonder if I can make anyone else do it.
My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe,
Right.
but that's alright. Hush.
What if I do it?
I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension.
Is it pad or pads?
Behind redemption,
It is pads. Sorry.
gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster to waste oxygen.
Spanky, clean the pads.
Alright. You'll have to leave it open until you get membership.
Spanky, clean the pads.
Yay! There we go.
Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on.
Alright, let's have port sex before we go too far, hey? There you go, Ace. You're the first command on my channel. Yay! Yippee! I had no intention of streaming tonight, and then Ace was all like, "Oh, I need somebody to watch, I'm bored." And then I was like, okay. Bench cam, out of that. I think I looked at the cam or something. Oh, Rogie. I'll see what I can do. So bored but not complaining. I'm sorry, Ace. You're just like, oh, another OGX. Alright. Oh, look! Ace, it's fixed! Yay! Go Ace! Alright, I've still got to fix all the traces on the front of the motherboard. Okay, bye! broaden the spectrum. Yeah, look, I'll get there. I've got one PS3 here to do. Well, actually, I got two. I got a fat. What is a dingus? And a dingus is just an Australian word for an idiot, I guess. I don't know. How else do I describe dingus? Don't be a monkey. Hey JFix, how are you, by the way? Yep, that's better. My 40 grams of thermal paste have arrived at the post office because they tried to deliver it to me on a day I was at work. Which is fun. Alright. Alright, we are looking at there it is.
Spanky, clean the pads.
We have one trace out of the 4 without rot. Out of the 5? Yeah, 5. Jesus. I swear it's 4. One, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it is 4. Alright, we got 3 damage traces. Ah. Alright. 1. We'll probe out this top one first. Where's your test point, girl? Jesus fucking Christ. Where is it?
Say I'm good,
That's not it, I don't think. I think it's this one. Oh, I forgot. I'm sorry, guys. Can't see shit, by the way. Yeah, right. It looks like it's this one or this one. Where did I say it was? That one? Okay, I need to make a scene command. So I can be reminded to fucking check that I'm doing the right thing. Okay, let's make sure that's the right one anyway. Nope. That was not the right one. Spanky. Which means it's that one. It's that via the... Tad loud. Alrighty. Thank you. How's that? Okay. Nothing. I swear I had the right one that time. Alright, we're trying again. It's the back of that resistor. Just gotta keep it on the correct side of the trace. Okay, it's that one there. It's that one there. Alright, it's this trace. This test point. There we go. Go from the three together. Yep. I think I found it. It. Yep, alright. That trace is fine. That one is not. Nothing. Nothing. Alright. Problem. Yes. Alright, we got 3 dead traces, which is why the power button isn't working. I don't know about the eject button. And we've got no power LED. So it looks like we've got damage starting here. Yeah, so we got damage starting here. The worst of it's through here. So we'll have to repair it up to here. So we've got some here as well. LEDs are 2 of them. Yeah, so we got 4 traces. It'll be all ground triggered, one would assume, which means it'd be like power, eject, LED, or power, LED, LED, eject, I don't know. Fugs me, mate. But we got 3 damage ones, so I fixed 3 damage ones. I need something to hold the board flat while I'm working. I might 3D model something that just sits on it. Just into a couple of posts and then holds it up. Too tall. What about a stack of solid state drives? Oh, there we go. Come off the resistors, sprint the stand I have. It's on your giddy. Oh, sick. Xbox motherboard support. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you, Ace. That's going on the printer next. Thank you very much. I wish I'd printed that 3 days ago, but here we are. Alright, I'm going to try to repair up here. Repair 2 up here. I want to step them, preferably. No, we've got some damage here as well. Jesus. What's the traces look like under there? Oh shit, we got some even under that. Okay. Yep, we've got a break there. Yep, that's a break. I can feel it with the tweezers. Hey, 8-bit. What's up? Alright, so I guess I'm repairing to up here and running it down. Jesus. Alright, it's going to be a long one.
Spanky, clean the pads.
You're making me glad I put a time out on that time limit. Can only run that command so many times. Well. Alright, iron. Flux. Saunter. Extractor. Alright, there we go. Beautiful. So they would fucking stop it, Ace. Where did the trace rot start? Here. There. Just near the 5. So I'm going to start working back this way. Okay, I will admit, I have tried a chicken kebab with sweet chili and sour cream, and it was good. Oh yeah, so when I started using this handle, it didn't have this here, so I kept sticking my hand on this nice hot grounding plane. So I just put a green O-ring on it, so now my hand knows to stop. And it has been much nicer ever since. I haven't been burning my hand on the fucking thing. Alright, beaut. What are we feeling? 30 or 36? Well, not that piece of 36. It's got a knot in it. Which one's fucking .1? I work in gauge. Hey, Final Man, what's up? Alright, so if I'm using 36 is 0.1, so 36 is 0.12. That'll do, okay? So I'll use 36 for it. I used 30 for it the other day when it was just a single. I think. The insulation on this stuff's dreadful, though. Yeah, Final Man. This one was a no display, which is now fixed. And now it's just a front panel non-responsive, which we all know the solution to that. Trace rot. Just repair the trace rot.
Spanky, clean the pads.
I have cleaned the pads, Ace. Shut the fuck up. There we go. Oh, it wasn't Ace this time. Oh, there's a 10-second cooldown on it!
Spanky, clean the pads.
If we had more commands, we wouldn't have to play the same one. Look, I'm working on it. I need a scene command. I'll get there. I'll start making some more. That one was me learning how to do it. And it being the first meme of the channel, of my streaming, so. Come here, you little shit. Excuse you, Iron, why is all this saunter on the side of you and not on the face? Come back. Asshole. Hey, Sean! He's gone looking for the well. There we go. I need new side cutters. These things are toast. My own hand is in my own way. I appear to have cluttered myself. Son of a bitch, get back here. Hey, bull. Yeah, there's still more than enough there, though. Yeah, bull. It's got display output now since I had sex with the video connector. I mean, repeatedly inserted the cable. Alright. Get back here. Gun. Hey, 8-bit. Okay, last one.
Spanky, clean the pads.
Where'd that bitch go? Come back. There we go. It's not pretty, but it's on. There we go. I'll jump in his stream later on and give him good grats. I thought everyone was being funny because the name's Tracy. I was like, oh, is he engaged to soldering traces? I'm not smart. I am not smart. Alright, let's test. Ace is playing. Just throw a half dozen SSDs around, it's alright. We don't need those. Wrong one, Spanky. Wrong one. There we go. We've got LEDs, we've got working power button. Alright. Ugh. See, I just felt like it was Ace being a little turd. Because everyone was wishing him the happy engagement on Nano's stream as well. And he was in there going, what? Ow. Makina ruined it. Well, he's not in here yet, Ace. So I think we're still good. Jesus, that one does not want to go in. That hole's too tight. Bet you all have never heard that before. Never said that before. I don't know how to tell jokes. These two just don't want to go through. Clear the chat then, Spanky. I can do that. You think he's really gonna scroll up through chat if he gets here? You can't. Yes, it is. I am. I should do that before I continue dicking around, eh? Before I damage him. Where's my fucking UV light? Where'd I put that shit? There. Mask the wise, Spanky. I hate this part. When do we get Spanky Cam? When I don't feel like I look like Jabba the Hutt. I'm already self-conscious enough about my voice. Oh, I get it. I get it. Oof, we got 14 viewers tonight. Wow. Well, I didn't get a PS5 today, so... That means on Tuesday I'll be able to order a couple more tools, like one of the better UV hearing lamps. Instead of this Kmart job. You. No, they didn't want cash. They were a scam. They kept trying to get me to make a deposit. And I kept saying, I've already got the cash out. Why would I send you a deposit? You told me 7 o'clock. I said I'll be there at 7 o'clock. Get a cheap mechanic i3, i1 Pro. Hey, Squish! Oh, I should put the lamp on that while I Google. What did we learn about Makina today? Think about it. Oh, I don't think I was in the stream for that part, Ace. Oh, the L one. Yeah, righto. $27 Aussie dollars. It appears to be the one that everyone else uses as well. I was gonna get one of the mechanic ones anyway. Why am I getting so many messages? I have a bug killer UV lamp the size of my fist sitting in my garage. I could probably just use that and close my eyes while it's on. What flux does Ace use anyway? Kingbow. Oh, okay. Well, I mean, it is cheap. My mate says he likes Kingbow. But I've been a huge fan of the MG Chemicals 8341. It's all good, Ace. Kingbow rocks. Have you used MG Chemicals 8341 though? Like, how would you compare it is my question. As far as I can see. Oh, but have you used it? That's the question I asked, Ace. Kingbow is an easy win because of the price. Yeah, Roger. Yeah, I can buy a significant amount more Kingbow for 20 bucks. Than I can the MG Chemicals. How is it on the throat? Because that's the only other thing I have trouble with. These fucking pins don't want to go through. There we go. One. We're okay. No, we're not. What flux you use, Spanky? I use MG Chemicals 8341.
Spanky, clean the pads.
It is pretty good flux. I really like it. It's been good to me. I've tried Amtech. I've used the V3 Tachyflux. Yeah, I haven't got a scope cam right now because I'm just doing this by eye. Fixed. I don't even know where mine's gone. Oh, here it is. It's a sample tube of actual Amtech. And it's the Tachyflux V3. So if you want this now, you got to buy it from Sterry. Because Amtech has renamed the manufacturing to Sterry. So. And it was pretty good, but then I just started using Kingbow for everything. Sorry, not Kingbow. The MG Chemicals. It smells like Chernobyl. How do I do that without risking anything? I don't think I do. Buy the Kingbow. Why not buy a new one? A new what? If you're trying to tell me to buy a new OGX, I think there's something silly going on here. Buy a new... Well, I don't know, maybe because there are no new ones, bud? No. I see 5 on eBay. They're not new, mate. Max will sell me a new one. They're working while yours is not. My other 5 are working. Never meant brand new one. Well, just use that then. No. I'm not gonna just use them. I'm gonna fix this one. Where's the fun in playing on a console when you could fix a console? I don't wanna! Sounds dreadful. Who would want to use a console for gaming? My parents broke many a wooden spoon trying to get me to do that, Ace. It's just what we do, lad. I don't take kindly to people calling me lad. I'll put that out there now. Oh. This one's been a little turd. Little buddy is better? Oh my god. I ain't a dog either. There we go. I'm very fast and very, very furious, and I have an... There we go, I fixed it. I have an addiction to the banhammer. How about Chief? If you put Master in front of the Chief, okay. Or Mistress would be better, actually. Mistress Chief. Yeah, that's better. Let me try that again. Master Beta, maybe? No, you're the one baiting here. Fast updates. Hey Fuji, how you going? Alrighty. Fuji, say hello to everybody. Haha, I have a mute button. Oh! Ban time! Ban time! Where is this? Here. There we go. No, the bot. Alright. Him a lady, blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Alright, if you want to be respectful, then you can just understand that I'm a lady and stop questioning it. I am a woman. Thank you very much. Hasn't hung out with many fucking Aussies, apparently. One more bit of disrespect, and you're going bye-bye, mate. Didn't see. Oh, I don't know. Maybe, like, the profile picture should have given it away, hey? Lost my fucking tools again. Uh-oh! Where'd my tools go? Okay. Okay. I don't have to educate you, mate. Now, has anyone seen my hand drill? How do I keep losing this shit? I don't think I've taken it out of this room, so I'm very confused. Not since earlier. It's not in my hand. It's not on the floor. It's not in my pockets. Okay, it's missing. I've eaten it. Is that a ginger beer? It's a ginger ale, my friend.
Spanky, clean the pads.
It's under the Xbox. Shit, it's not under the Xbox. I tidied up. That's the problem. I tidied up. I knew it wasn't gonna be under the Xbox, Fuji. It's too big. But comedic effect is important. It's not in that Xbox. It's not on that Xbox. It's not in that drawer. It's not on that shelf. I don't want to do this the hard way. Come on. I didn't take it out to the kitchen or something, did I? It's not with the 3D printers either. On the bike seat. Ah, I found it, everyone. You can stop looking. It's on charge. I'm like, the last time I used it, I was putting controllers together. What's going on? It was sitting on the shelf where I put things that I charge with Type-C. Yeah, that's the joke. You can stop looking. Nobody's looking except me. My dumbass had already done a lap of the house looking for it. Oh, it's almost time for us to do a census again as well. I haven't seen Emma today. They posted a parcel to me, but I haven't seen them. Oh, I did send them photos of the controllers I fixed earlier. And they're a bit jealous of those. Ugh, there we go. Got some new feet ready to go. Off of eBay. No, I have a proper scope. Yeah. Massive benefit is I get to put it on a 27-inch screen so I can actually see it with my crappy eyes. I let the TPU cool down too much, now it's stuck to the build plate. There we go. Camera I use. It's a Eakins. E-A-K-I-N-S. I can send you a link later, Squish, if you want. Hey, Anthony. Fat Xbox One turn on and then off. I don't know yet, but I have one to find out. It might just be a hard drive fault. I have... Oh no. I have this one right here. Tian? I think that's how I pronounce your name. Yeah, it's likely hard drive. This one, I can actually hear the hard drive, and it sounds absolutely fucking appalling, so... Chime on, no chime off. It just chimes on, power, noisy hard drive, power's off. So, I was just going to start with the drive, because I have... this many of them. A few to pick from. Yeah, I got to go through and test them all yet. And give them a full hard drive wipe. Because I got them from a business that were just going to throw them all away, and I said I'll dispose of the data. There we go. And because they don't want to have to deal with Enterprise? Nah, just WD Blues out of a bunch of laptops they got rid of. But they've got sensitive data on the drives, so they couldn't just throw them. And I said, I'll do data destruction. And then once I've done the data destruction, I've got to test all the drives again to make sure they're still healthy. Yeah, it will cost them to dispose of them. I don't even know if the one local place even does drive shredding. I've tried to ask multiple times, but they never answer me. Because I've got so many at work as well I've got to deal with. And I can only use so many of them. What's it unhappy with? Come on. There we go. All right. Power button works. We've got picture. What have we got? 11. Ooh. Alright, does this work? We're getting red-green. Once it boots to that, we're getting red-green. What's 11? That'll be... Error code 11. No DVD drive found. Okay. I didn't screw that one in, that was smart. It's a Phillips. I don't remember if they were the good or the bad ones. Come on. Let go. There we go. Do I have spares? PCB is probably dead, yeah. Roger. Ooh, yeah, that's charged now. Alright, do I have a spare drive? Yes. One. Let go, thank you. Toshiba, Samsung. It's a bit fucking filthy, but we'll see. Sit. Sit. There we go. Good drive. Alrighty. Alright, cool. Let's try this controller I just repaired. What have we got? They even played online, that's cool. Yeah, V8 supercars! Yeah. I need to sit down and replay that. Now. Alright. Nope. Alright then. Come here. Come here. You. Okay, I think the sled just needs some cleaning. Spinning up. Lasers hopping. Yeah, I don't think she's working. To be fair, I don't know if this disc is any good. I found it in the disc drive. Let's try a good disc. There we go, that one's immaculate. Don't scratch this. Come on, old girl. No. Alright. I was sitting in Nano's stream today bullying him with 1-bit donos because he doesn't have a minimum limit on TTS. And his wife kept calling him for dinner and we just kept giving him donos, so he got distracted. Yeah, we kept giving him 1-bit donos. It was hysterical. But today I fixed this. And I've got this to go with it, which is cool. Alright. Open. There we go. Give me that disc back. Yep, she's still good. Alright, that drive is foobarred. Well, that drive's circuit is good, its laser's toast, and it needs a drive belt. Where to put my painter's tape? There it is. Alrighty. Put the drive front plate on that one. Would be the smart thing to do. Come on, you. There we go. Alright. What was the issue? So this one initially had no picture. And trace rot on the leaking clock capacitor, which caused trace rot for the power button, the eject button, and the LEDs. So we've now fixed all of that tonight. The no picture was resolved by either the ultrasonic cleaner or the video output cable having sex with the port with some methylated spirits in it. And the trace rot was fixed by just soldering in some wires to replace the traces. And then it had a bad optical drive, bad PCB and an optical drive. So I've just put another optical drive in, but it's got a bad laser, bad belt. So that one's going to stay as not working ODD. Come on, come on. This one's... Hey, chill and relax. What's up, bud? Oh, this one has good feed on it. Ace, do I put your feed on it anyway? Or do you not want your name attached to this one? Nothing? Did you print TPU? Yes, of course. I've already put a set on my Xbox. I'm going to print a few more now that they're not as stringy because I dried my filament. I'm gonna start putting them on everything. Just so every OGX I sell has them on it. There it is. And everybody will wonder why. And it's just so they're easier to repair in the future when some dumb shit drops it. Nice, great. Everyone will blame Ace if it doesn't work. Yeah, well, I can't get 1-star reviews, he can, so... Well, I don't have any 1TB drives anyway. They're way too expensive right now. Yeah, this was a 1.1, judging by the year. Alright. Ah, well. Shorter than last night's RAM upgrade, that's for sure. By about an hour. Alright. My bad, boy. What can are we staring at today, Spanky? Yeah, it's empty. It's a ginger ale. Why isn't Sam here? I love having SSDs in these things. It's a noticeable loading speed difference. It's great. I want to try doing a CPU upgrade next, but I actually really want to do it with a socket rather than with just a CPU sitting on it. So that way I have a machine I can test CPUs in as well. That's the plan anyway. Oh, you haven't used your blue one yet? Oof. How long till you can pull that out of the cupboard, Jugs? Oh, that's why it looks so nasty. It's on composite on an LCD, right. I was like, this looked heaps better in the lounge room. That's because I'm running component in the lounge room on a CRT. Can't wait. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome, Jugs. Come here. There we go. Kids have to rabbit you. Yeah. Well, oh shit. I've been TMRs in the OG controller. You don't really need to. These don't drift because they're not running the pots down to such a stupid decimal value. That's why drift has become an issue in newer controllers, despite the sticks being basically the same thing anyway. Otherwise, I'd be all over it for sure. Yeah, dead zones are heaps bigger. That's essentially it. But it's just because they ran the pots with lower decimal points in the code on the chip. So they're not as sensitive, technically, but... and having the larger dead zones makes it fine. I haven't had a single OGX controller with drift. And that's essentially why. I gotta... whoop! Wrong button. But yeah, I gotta order a new pack of sticks. The 360 thumbsticks are the same as OGX. And they fit on perfectly, so I'll just buy packs of 20 360 sticks. And keep them sitting around for years in my shelf until I need to fix another one. I'm gonna have to fix a few OG controllers now, because I've got so many here that are working. And it'll be impossible for me to sell them without cables or controllers. And I can only sell without games the ones with working optical drives. So I'm gonna have to get some hard drive adapters too. I'll probably put them up on Facebook for my friends first, if anybody wants one. Sell them to my friends cheap. Honestly, I'm just doing it because I find it so much fun. I'm not really here to make profit. Profit's nice, and it's nice to get some money in to help with the bills, but I should just be able to survive off my job. Damn, it didn't bounce as far as I wanted it to. There we go, got the headshot off. You do motorbike tunes as well. No, I do motorbike suspension tuning and ergonomic tuning. I don't do ECU tunes. I do some basics to get them running when it's a fresh build. I tune velocity stacks as well. So a second gen SV650 is the last one I did. I've just got to pull some supports off these. But it increased the power band from 5,000 to 7,000 to 6,000 all the way to redline, because they're different lengths as well for the front and rear cylinders, and we tuned them individually. Can I fix an old style Beetle? I haven't had my hands on one, but probably. I can do carbies. My current project in the shed is my 1983 Honda VF750 motorcycle, which is a V4 750cc, 4 carbies in a V configuration. Absolute dick to work on. God, TPU supports are the worst. Alright, there we go. So this is my design. Ignore the shitty filament. So this snaps straight into the factory airbox in place of the standard throttle rubbers to the airbox. And it's tuned length, diameter, flow in, bunch of math, and then a shorter one as well, so that each cylinder is a different length, which is why the power band is now so much broader than the old one. And that's my work. I've done Yamaha R7 as well. And we're working on the Gen 1 SV650 at the moment. My housemate does much better suspension tuning than I do. But I get him close and send it. He's much more in the fine adjustments. And my daily is a clapped out $800 Subaru Forester. But my project car is a 93 180SX with an LS1 swap. But my body hasn't let me go out and work on that in quite some time. Housemate's starting to help me with... God, I can't see. Getting some projects out of the way that use a lot of physical labor, because my body's not too happy with them. So once I get the motorbike all done, I'll be able to start back on my 180 again. And it just needs the wiring finished, the plumbing done, and I got to double check the throwout bearing and spigot bearing clearances now that I don't have an adapter plate on. Missed. Let me. Walk straight into that one. Is this the one with 128 RAM? Yeah. But I have dual BIOSes on it, so I can run it in 64 as well, so I have better game compatibility. But most games pretty much won't run it any different anyway. No, I parked it wrong. Oh well. 1 terabyte SSD and 128 meg of RAM. Let's go. No, because the games aren't programmed to use the 128 meg anyway. They don't run like a PC where it just uses what's available. These actually have to allocate and utilize. No, I didn't ban them. I just told them it's not my responsibility to educate them, and they accepted that. Alright, we're almost at 2 hours now. Yeah. It's 2026 and we're talking about 128 meg of RAM. Be pretty cool to do the project on the PS1 that uses that you can quadruple the RAM amount, but I haven't got any old enough RAM sitting around as donors. But that'd be pretty awesome to do that one as well. Just for shiggles. Alright, we're at 2 hours. Thank you so much for everything today, everybody. It's good to see you all. Oh.
I hope you are a better student than Anthony's and you never usurp me. Smiley face emoji.
Thank you, Ace. We're getting closer. Thank you all for watching. It was awesome to hang out again and get another Xbox fixed. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 OG Xboxes fixed now. And I've got Xbox One Fat, 2 PS3s, 1 Fat, 1 Slim, and 7 Xbox 360 Slims to do as well. So, oh, and I still got to do that 3070 Ti. So we got plenty more stuff to do. We'll see how I go out the rest of the week. Thank you all for watching. Have a great night, morning, evening, day, wherever you are. Exactly, Makina. Thank you all, and thank you, Alti Carl Everett, for the $1 donation. Your middle name's Carl? Okay. Thank you for the $1. We're getting closer to that ultrasonic cleaner goal, bit by bit. Carl! That kills people, Carl! Oh, I'm making that a command now. I'm making that a command now. Good night, everybody.